सेवा सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड वुमेन्स एसोसिएशन इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर का विमेंस सेंट्रल ट्रेड यूनियन को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. So I think lot of things have been discussed today in this convention. No, the aims and objectives of the convention has been discussed, and how we are going towards a hartal on January 8th is discussed. No, the situation of the country is in such a bad condition that the workers have to unite. We had a convention just before the elections, and we have submitted our memorandum to the government, and it was a kind of raising the voice of the people towards election. But still we are here after 100 days. The Modi government is celebrating 100 days, and after 100 days, what is there for us? That is the question that we are asking. Wherever we go, wherever the government people like the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, they go, they are saying all that we are doing is for the people, and only few of them are against us. But can we say really who are really for the people? Which minister is for the people? What are the people-friendly schemes that they are raising, especially in this country, where crores and crores of people are losing their jobs? The people who were considered as safe in the public sector jobs, they are now considering big threat in their jobs, and hire and fire, and is happening at everywhere. That is the situation that we are standing now. And when we say, when the labor code reforms, labor law reforms have been coming up, they were saying 44 labor laws, all these labor laws are very tough, and it's not accessible to the workers, and in the name of easing labor laws, they are saying we have been doing it. But now we have seen in the last parliament, without any proper debate, the code on wages have been passed away, and what are the repercussions, consequences the workers have to face. Many of the informal work sector workers who already had fixed wages, who already had minimum wages fixed in their own states, are now saying our minimum wages are under threat now. See, the employers, when the sector is having no proper employer-employee relationship, when a person is getting 250 to 300 rupees minimum wages, they are saying the employers have the tendency to reduce it to now 170 rupees. This is what the wage code on labor had given us. This is the implication that we are getting day by day after the easing of labor laws that we are seeing every day. In the name of inclusiveness, more and more scattering is happening. More and more workers in the informal sector is scattering. More and more formal sectors have become informal now. That is where we heard a whole lot of struggle from the defense to the coal to the railway to the BSNL, wherever it is happening. That is what we are saying. There is no job. People have been retrenched. There is no money to pay. People have been waiting for months to get their salaries. That is the situation. If that is the situation of the mainstream labor in the country, what is going to happen for the poorest of the poor in this country? There will not be workers anymore. Workers are considered as universal poor. That is one of the biggest achievements this labor reform has come to us. We are poor. Are we willing to accept that we are poor? No, we are workers of the country. We are the people who are earning the development, for the development and for the growth of this country. When the country always put the GDP has high, where is our contribution calculated in it? Where is the contribution of the informal sector in this country calculated? Where is the contribution of the women who are doing multiple jobs at a time to earn for the country and for the family, for the household? Where it is calculated, they are not even coming under the data. They are invisible. The data is silent on it. New systems of data is keeping them away from the mainstream labor force. That is what is happening. What we hear is that they don't want to increase the number of people who are working. They want to decrease it. So many of our work that we are doing, we as a trade union in the informal sector, we ourselves represent 150 trades in this country. These 150 trades are not calculated, not considered as mainstream trades, and they are not in any of the NSS or census or employability data. Nothing is included in that. And most of the women who are doing home-based workers, who are doing domestic workers, who are doing their earning in street vending, all of them are out of the visible labor force of this country. This is increasing more and more. Day by day, we are saying, no, the labor laws are becoming more easy. But what is there? The country's status on the ease of doing business, the international, even the World Bank report, which is going to be released on October 24th, it is saying that the country's position in the ease of business doing is coming up, but not the situation of labor, not the situation of health, not the situation of basic minimum facilities, not the situation of gender equality. Everything the country is scooping down. Very low. We are having very low rates in all of this situation. So that is happening. That is the reality that workers facing everywhere. Now we got a new version of the Social Security Code of the labor law reforms, and we should see it how the Labor Department is unaware of the workers. In the name of inclusivity, in the name of including workers, majority of the workers into the mainstream. Now when the latest draft also came that the country's labor ministry is not aware of who an unorganized sector labor is. Now still we have 15 type of workers divided according to their performance, according to their labor divisions, and who is going to define them? Where are we going to define them? This is the situation that every day we are fighting. In the name of inclusiveness, more and more divisions, more and more scattering, more and more inability to survive, the sustenance, the sustainability, all these questions are being raised by the poorest of the poor everywhere. There is no food, there is no job, there is no housing, there is no proper defecating facilities, and October 2nd, tomorrow, day after, the Prime Minister will announce that we are a completely well-situated country with no more open defecation happening. So this is the reality. Number of slums are increasing everywhere. This is where the country is going to. The workers of this country, the informal and formal sectors of the country is coming together to raise the questions of inequalities, to raise the questions of rights, and with the slogan of unity, workers are coming together, workers organizations are coming together, and this is just a warning. It's not going to stop. This is just a warning. It's going to happen more frequently, and the workers of this country will not stop until our rights are achieved. And if this government is going to be against our rights more and more, our struggle, our unity will be more strengthened, and we will be in the street, we will be in front of the Prime Minister's residence, we will be in front of the Parliament more and more, and this is what is going to happen. So beloved comrades, beloved workers, coming from all over India, this is our struggle. There are we standing. Come, let us be united, and our force become more and more strengthened. Thank you, Workers' Unity, Zindabad.